Hello, Rose. This is going to be my first attempt at invoice number 3. Um, I was reading this before and it says it does look similar to products display. So, yeah, that's just kind of what I did just to prepare for myself. But, yeah, we'll see how it goes. 25 minutes. 25 minutes for DNF. But yeah, so first of all, I got to copy invoice 2 inside WODs. We'll just name this invoice 3. And alright, so here we go. So first thing I have to do is create a loop to generate the table rows. So this is where I'd put it. So it's a for loop. So for, and I'm just gonna move this buddy right here. Uh, so for, I think it's I equals 1. Where is my I equals 1? Was it a no? So for I equals 1, I think we use this line right here. Eval type of item I, and I is until I equals undefined or something. And then lastly, I think it's just I plus plus increment. Okay, so we got that down. Just above the loop that generates the table rows, initialize your subtotal to 0. Okay. We'll just do. Now move all the tags and total expressions after the code that prints the table rows outside the loop, but above the code that prints the subtotal row. Okay. So it's, oh, I did not want to click that. um, and then move all the tag stuff. Okay, so this is all the tags and total expressions. So I guess it's including, is it the sales or the subtotal? Well, move all the tags and total expressions. So I'll just move this for now. Okay. Next up, in the loop, directly above the code that prints out the item table row, add an expression that computes the extended price of the item using the eval expressions. Oh, we switched this out with eval, right? I think it's, yeah, is there a quicker way I could do this? I'm pretty sure I could use that. This is item. I think so. Quantity. Price. And extended price. Okay, so far so good. Actually, I should put a server on this one too. Okay, so right now it's just doing it twice, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure why that is. Oh, also okay, so it generated and it's actually adding everything else. So I could delete everything else now. Script. That should be good. And if I reset, okay. Now it's just all my subtotals. That's okay. In the loop directly above the code that prints out the item table row, add an expression that computes the extended price for the item using the eval. So extended price is basically, it's the let me see. Oh, but I have to use the variables. So back it up, beep beep. Extended price, which is basically this thing. So extended price equals, it's just price times quantity, right? Yeah. Or times. Quantity and price. Okay. Assign this value to the variable extended price and use this in the table row. Replace eval extended price I with extended price. Okay. Okay. Add a statement after the above statement that adds subtotal equals so I guess after this one, oh yeah, you're just adding. Plus the extended price. Remove all the statements that compute and saves the extended prices. That's right, so I don't need any of these now. Check that the table matches the original invoice one table. Okay, none of my items are coming up. That's cool. Uncut reference, I is not defined. 57. What does that mean, I is not defined? But it is, right? I equals 1. I mean, I don't want to do this, but that's weird. But it, oh, that's not right. Okay, subtotal. Huh. That's weird. Yeah, why isn't it, but when I do this, I is not defined, sales tax is undefined, shipping cost is undefined. Hmm. Well, I could do I equals 1, but I don't really see why I gotta do that, but 14 minutes. Sales tax is undefined. Okay, so but when I is defined, the extended price should equal. Hmm. I'm just trying to think what I possibly. Is a subtotal? Uh. Oh, it can't. It can't do this stuff if it's. Oh, oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna know. That means I wouldn't even need to define I in the first place. Okay, how's it looking now? Okay, seems legit. 3. I think I got it right. Okay, there we go. Should be good. Yeah. There's no errors. Okay, so let me get this show. We just start subtotal off with 0. We start off with I equals 1. And we evaluate, so each type of the items. And we keep going until it's undefined as we increment. 12 minutes. I did 12 minutes. So I did it in 13 minutes. Okay. But basically, we define the extended price as quantity I and the price of I of the same one. Yeah. Okay. And then subtotal, that's the whole thing. Yeah. I think that works out good. All right. Well, that's about it for me. Thank you. Take care.